I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries on a matter of county-wide concern regarding the protection of farmers in Kitui County from exploitation by brokers and middlemen during the marketing of agricultural produce. Mr. Speaker, sir, agriculture remains a primary source of livelihood for the majority of households in Kitui County. However, due to limited access to markets, inadequate storage facilities, insufficient market information, and weak bargaining power, many farmers are compelled to sell their produce at unfairly low prices. This significantly reduces their incomes and undermines agricultural productivity and sustainability. In the statement, the committee should address the following. 1, measures the government has put in place to protect farmers from exploitation by brokers and middlemen in the marketing of agricultural produce. 2, the status of support and strengthening of agricultural cooperative societies and farmer organizations to enhance collective bargaining and secure better returns for farmers. 3, the interventions being undertaken to improve access to storage facilities, market information, and other post-harvest support services. And number 4, measures being implemented to establish direct market linkages between farmers and buyers to improve farm gate prices and reduce reliance on exploitative intermediaries. Mr. Speaker, I thank you.